Getting into this area is actually simple. You remove this piece first. It's just held on with the little spring clips, and then you can remove the side panels, and they're held on with bolts. And there's, of course, electrical connectors. You have two for your cigarette lighter plugs. You got one for, this is probably a temperature sensor, and then one for your trunk release. Trunk popper was real easy. It's just press right there and slide out. Same thing with whatever that one is. These two, I needed a tool. For some reason they don't want you to be able to remove those very easily. It's basically pressed on there to release them. So there are two 7mm bolts, one right down here and one right up here. Got to remove. Bolts removed, just pulls off. They said it did. They lied. Alright, so yeah, they weren't lying when they said there's two, but they didn't mention this and the fact that it kind of wrestles around the glove box. Same as the passenger side, you got 7mm bolt there, 7mm bolt there. And once you remove those, it's supposed to have spring clips that hold it on. It probably has another plastic piece that kind of aims it as well, so just wrestle it off. There were 10mm bolts there. I went ahead and took out the 7s on this side, and there were 7s on this side, and I was able to pry this back enough to where I can get in here and see what wires they've cut, what needs to be hooked up again. Like for example there's two wires that are connected to a white and yellow that's just cut. I'm sure that was police equipment, but I need to figure out why the trunk doesn't pop. And also I want to figure out if these are accessory or full-time power or one-in-one.